If you like this video and you want to see more of it, click subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a message down below. And share this with anybody you feel would get some value of it, whether they're thinking about moving to the area or moving somewhere different in the area, because I'm going to show you everything Polk County has to offer. Hi, I'm Big George, and today we're here to see another home in our key collection called the Jefferson. This is our big one. 6-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-story home, 2-car garage with 2,458 square foot. I can't wait to show this one to you, as this one has a secondary bedroom and a full bath on the first floor. So if you have that office space that you wanted, but you never really wanted to go up and downstairs, you have that opportunity with this home. So we're going to turn this camera around here in just a moment and show it to you. And in case you don't know who I am, I'm Big George. I am your Lennar New Home Consultant here in Polk County, here to show you everything Polk County has to offer. I live in Polk County and I've helped hundreds of people through their transaction, making sure it's a nice, smooth transaction from beginning to end. And I'm happy to show you where all the great places are to eat here as well. So let's turn this camera around and check out the Jefferson. So there you have it, my friends. That is the Jefferson. It's our 6-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2-story home, 2,458 square foot with a 2-car garage. If you have a really large family, this is a great opportunity for you. We have them all throughout Polk County. And if you'd like to come view one yourself, give Big George a call here. It's 727-542-7773. It would be my pleasure to show you what Lennar has to offer you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.